look at this, y'all. Have you ever seen a wax so flexible after it's been removed? Neither have I until now. This is sexy smooth wax named Purple Seduction. And let's just say your girl is seduced. Okay? This wax has no smell, which I love as someone who is sensitive to fragrances. Thank you. Its color is so enticing. I mean, look at that purple. It's giving royal, baby. Did I mention purple is my favorite color? I love that it melts pretty quickly and can go on thin or thick to grab those finer and coarser hairs. My review of this wax is a 10 out of 10. Let me know in the comments what I should wax next using Purple Seduction. Thank you.